today I am going to show you how to upload your GIFs to Giphy, however you decide to pronounce it. So this is Giphy, and one of the first things that you need when wanting to create GIFs, you actually need GIFs. But when you want an account, you can just sign up on the web page. But getting your GIFs in your brand or business verified, or add it to Facebook or wherever you can get GIFs, Instagram, stickers, etc. You need to have GIFs already uploaded to either be considered to have GIFs on different platforms. So the first thing you want to do is create a login as I mean, or Giphy, the actual website, which is I'm not going to I made a brand new one, so it's here. Don't have Giphy. Y'all gonna hear me say it back and forth because it just depends on who you are and how you want to say it. So it's your email address, and I am going to use my Dear Military Spouse email. And my username will be Dear Military Spouse, but this will be your brand name, okay? And then you go ahead and create your password. And your cap, you know that you're not a cat. Then you're just going to go ahead and hit sign up. It's hard. I think the hard part actually it's made or created for someone to create that. You can create need to have something that you hire. I'm just gonna say here's your dashboard. If you haven't uploaded anything, you can create a actual but the most thing is to have it upload. So I want to hit an overview is for someone who already has GIFs in their hands. They know that they need to sign it. Go like this. So that's what we the base time a second. To not only be able to search your name, you put your name in it. YouTube name, smile on. But really, turns out there, and I do it with the space. And I also want the military spouse because that's the name of my website, right? So I'm going to do both with a space and space. Also, now when I think about it, oh, they'll probably be searching for military wife, or just military, milso or milspo. Those are just different things that I know people will search for. Sections in there I can, but I think these are the few ones that I want. I may add, okay? Here it is on to the public, and then it says by clicking this, you'll be able to upload. All right. So once you load, sometimes it's a few hours to show up, and hours, like maybe at 24 hours to show up. Okay, this one says, so I don't know if I loaded it's an MP4, so I might have grabbed the wrong file. All right, so it says not complete. And you guys didn't load this. Hit just one you have one want to upload on GIFS a brand. You want your items to show them, right? Everybody their stickers on them, and Facebook. That being said, we are going. So here under the little three thing,